Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create websites for free using Big Cartel in 2023. So whether you are an artist, a creator, or a small business owner, Big Cartel offers you a simple and user-friendly ways to showcase your work and even products online. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of setting up your own website without any costs. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll have to go and sign up for a Big Cartel account. So if you don't have already a Big Cartel account, start by signing up for one. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case here, I'm using Brave, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you do so, go to this URL section, simply type bigcartel.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken to the home screen or main screen. If you're interested in the pricing of this Big Cartel website, I will scroll down here. You can pause the video and see all the pricing with the features that comes with it. And of course, if you have an account, make sure to go and log in into your account at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on sign up to create an account. For me, I'm just going to log in into my accounts. For you, make sure to go and create your account for yourself. So once you created your account, if you just getting started, or you're logged in into your account, but you still didn't finish this getting started checklist, make sure to finish those options as you can see. So make sure to verify your location and currency at product, explore shipping and profiles, connect to payments processor, design your shop, and launch your shop. So the idea of this video is simply creating a website for free, of course, using Big Cartel. To do so, you will have to finish, first of all, those 4 steps, which is verifying your location, currency, add the products, exploring shipping profiles, connect a payments processor, and then you'll be able to design your shop. Of course, you'll be able to do it before any like previous step, but it will be annoying to design your shop before like having a payments processor, but it's not a big deal if you want to start with this. Of course, let's just click on that as an example, design your shop, and as you can see, they will even like help you. So you're probably noticing a pattern here. There are tons of features. There are tons of features and settings on your account page that can help you run your shop. Be sure to explore the other sections below, and remember, you can always reach out, and if you need help, to your shop admin at supportsbigcartel.com. So click on next, and as you can see, design. So you can change up the look of your shop easily here in design. The tiny image here only represent the theme you've selected. Now what your shop will look like. So not to worry, click on next, and as you can see, you can choose a theme and edit your colors, fonts, images, and logos, products, layouts, and more to get really the look of your shop dialed in. So let's go. So first of all, of course, as you can see here, you'll find your shop. First of all, as you can see, it's maintenance mode. And if you want to disable it, this will launch your shop right away. So as you can see, once you take your shop out of maintenance mode, it will be visible to the world and you can preview your shop or jump back into the admin and continue making updates. If you're ready now, we're clear to launch. So I'll just do it later. And as an example, they already like give you a free website and you can simply go and design that website depending on whatever you want. As you can see, this is going to be the URL of your shop, and you can even add a custom domain if you have one. Click on it, and as you can see, you'll be able to do so through Google Domains. Isn't available in my country, as you can see, but you can go and add the domain like from another provider like GoDaddy, Bluehost, or something like that. So you'll be able even to edit your shop info, as example, like the shop URL, like etc. And but what we want is simply create our free website. As we said, it's already created, so we'll simply have to go and edit the design of it. So edit the design. You'll have to click on design, and as you can see, you'll find your website right here. So here you'll find products, here you'll find contacts, and as you can see here, you will find your cards if you add any products, and you can go and proceed to checkout and see if everything is working correctly. So now you have already your free website using, of course, Big Cartel. And now what we'll have to do is simply design it however we want. Of course, you can go and get a professional for you if you don't want to do that, or if you're not good at doing that by your own, or you can simply like start doing some random stuff. But before doing anything, make sure to have a saved option or a saved design before you start messing around if you don't know what you're doing. So as you can see here in the settings, probably you'll be able to select like a drop image to upload on the header, and you can go and add a repeating background image, and of course a slideshow. As you can see, it's up to 5 images. Colors, or you can edit the colors of the background, secondary background, primary text, secondary text, and link or hover, like the header text, products background hover, borders, button text, button background, and button hover background. So how can you change the color? You can simply click on the color here and change it however you want. Or if you have the hex code, you can simply go and paste it here and the color will change automatically. For the font, of course, here you'll have the primary and secondary font, but of course you can change it to whatever you want here, but you'll not be able to add any custom fonts from your own. Of course, as you can see, this is just an options. You'll be able to display like an announcements message on the top of every page. If you have an announcement to make on your website, you can even go and add this maintenance mode. So as you can see, we're working in our shop right now. A message visitors see when your shop is in the maintenance mode. And of course, the header image height, you'll be able to change it from medium to small to large. Navigation items, as you can see, you'll be able to change it. So you'll be able to change featured products, features products order, maximum products per now, and maximum products per row. For mobile, of course, products per page, products grid image style, product lists, price display, and products page layout. And finally, you will be able to show related products and even show search if you want to, show Facebook share button, show Twitter tweets button, and show Pinterest pin it button. You can even add your Twitter or X as it is at the moment URL, Facebook URL, Tumblr URL, Instagram URL, and Pinterest URL to help like grow your social media even more, which will even help you grow your shop. Here on the pages, of course, you'll be able to add how many pages you want, give it a name depending on whatever you want, and you'll be able to add whatever you want on it. In the code, of course, if you are good at coding, maybe you would like to add an HTML code or something like that, you'll be able to do so. You can even upgrade to add an integrational code, and you can even upgrade to edit all of your themed code. And if you're not good at that, you can use like ChatGPT or something like that to help you code and etc. For the themes here, as you can see, you have this themes per default, but of course you can choose whatever theme of those. Example, once you click on use theme on whatever it is, as you can see, the theme will be changed directly and you kind of don't have to do anything. So as an example, if you don't want to start editing all of this by your own, you can simply go and choose one of the themes provided here. So as you can see, all of those are included in the free bar. And here you are. You have your free website. You'll be able to publish it and even preview it on the desktop, tablet, phone, and you'll be good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully created a website for free using Big Cartel in 2023. With a user-friendly interface and customizable theme, Big Cartel makes it easy to showcase your work and product to the world. Remember to update your website regularly and keep it fresh to engage your visitors. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one, and I will see you in the next video.